Hello everyone. Yeah, I'm standing right here at the Badwater Basin, right here in the middle of Death Valley. This is the lowest portion here on Earth. It is 282 feet or 85 meters below sea level. So the level of the ocean or the level of the sea, this is below 282 feet below sea level. And I'd like to walk you around here. This is, you see these white spots here? These are hardened salt. Asin. Timmangkan ng asin na gitoy. And that is, look at that beautiful mountain. The sun's, the sun in the west is going down. What a beauty. This is the miracle, wonderful creation of Almighty God. And do you see the people walking there? They're visitors. Yeah, enjoying the wild environment here at the Death Valley. And you see this white thing here. These are hardened salt. Timangkan na gito yung asin. Rinamanakit, I tasted it. It's really salty. Yeah. That's it. All right. So you're looking over at the west side of the Death Valley. So I'd like to do a song here. And this song is called Lungayban. When we say Lungayban in the Kankanay dialect, we refer to a beautiful maiden, a lady or a woman with an exceptional beauty. Just by looking at her eyes, you are peaceful. All right, and here's Lungayban. And this is dedicated to all of you women, because without women, there's no love and there's no life here on earth. All right? Lungayban, oh Lungayban, Lungayban, inakmuan di buwan, mait maka kumaman kensika, ay san matamay kaman bulinawan, uray no adiak mangmangan, si uray kaat na ay buwan, nuada ka ay anak ilan, ay si inag-agaw pa'y yabinuan. Layad ko ay tetetewa, gasing ko ay mait patenggana taurenu mangpusan batawa ay sanlayad ko na igalay kensik Enak ayagan si katugangan taibak ay umayed kapangan taen kami manguyod sinuwang ay tanuaday entaku ipangan numapat abesan kabunyan manikidak et kakaiwan taemeyak mentilid si kalasan ay tanuaday enta aupan Lungay ban ay kalalaydan Pinarswan si ama kabunyan Ulungay ban sik ay kapintasan ay inyanak dagatan kenbugan Si amam dadlos na inbaga ay pisuid san piniyak si ina ngumwada pa'y dadlos ay latun sa ay tetewa ay Kristiyano ta ay dua Lungay ban sik ay kapintasan Pinarswan si ama kabunyan Ulungay ban nadikan kaparisan ay inyanak dagatan kenbangan Ulungay ban adikan kaparisan ay pinarswan si ama kabunyan My friends and relatives, all the visitors there, they're happy, enjoying the lowest portion here on earth. This is the Badwater Basin, here in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the Death Valley. Okay, so I'll turn you once again, the 360 degrees circling view. Here at the Badwater, you see those lovely visitors, handsome and beautiful visitors, enjoying this lowest part on earth. Look at that mountain. Wow. All right. Okay, here's once again the lowest part here on earth, the Badwater Basin here in the Death Valley. Okay, tani, agrobata kong tani, sumipngat, it's already, I think, 3:30 in the afternoon. Tahanak nga marebiyan. I'm driving to Arizona and Utah and New Mexico. All right.